Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody for all the love and support on my first video. Everybody was so supportive and everybody was just so nice, which is what I love. I love that. But for today, I decided that I'm gonna share with you guys a little sneak peek and, a little makeup moment, easy, quick, of my Maybelline micro influencer box. I am a part of their little program for college students, so I get sent makeup every quarter, so every kind of season, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna go into that. We're gonna do a little unboxing, and I also have a Boxycharm for the month of May that I just got, so I decided that I'm gonna just include that into today's video also. It's gonna be mostly about the eyeshadow and whatever. I did open up the boxes, so I know what's in them, so we'll just get right into that. Okay, so to start off, I'm gonna do Boxycharm first. So this is the box. Everything that comes in it, everything is $21 for a subscription. Everything is $21 for the subscription, so you get full-size products, which is amazing. The price for a whole box is $250 value, and you're only paying $21 and you're getting full-size products. Sis, excuse me, that's a deal. So to get into the video, I'm gonna start. This is what came in it, everything that came in. You get 6 products, I can't count. Yeah. So to start, we got the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. It also comes with a card that tells you all the products, what to do with them, how to use them. So the Glam Glow is a creamy, nutrient-dense soothing mask with antioxidant-rich berries and probiotics that instantly boosts skin's health. It restores radiance and balances skin's biome. All right, love that. The next thing is the Studio Makeup Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette. I've never really heard of this brand before. These are the colors. It's a neutral palette, an everyday wear palette, so love that. Then I got the I Am Beauty Care. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. It looks yeah, I Am. All right, the Dead Sea Minerals and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. I need a new makeup remover, so... Oh, this pencil is from Gerard Cosmetics. It's this lip pencil. It's in the shade Immortal. Cute. A little red moment. Love that. All right, the next thing is the Avant. It's Deluxe Hydraulic Acid Vivifying. Why can't I read? I literally don't know how to read. Well, it's a face and eye night cream, so I won't be using that today, but I'll use it at some point and then let you guys know. And then the last thing in the box is the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. So what did it look like? And then we'll go into the Maybelline box. So this is the box. Alright, so it came with a little card, has everything on it also. To start off, we got the Nudes of New York palette. Love that, love the nudes. Alright, then we got the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Mauve. So that's cute, love that. We got the Brow Fast Sculpt in Clear. Tame your brows, tame your brows. And then we got 2 of the Super Stay Matte Ink lipsticks. This one is the shade Visionary, and this one is Sapphire. So, both of them. Alright, so I feel like I should start with the Glam Glow mask. So, I'm gonna use this, and we're gonna just put this on and leave it. It says for 10 minutes. And then to wipe it off, so you don't have to wash this off of your face. So I'm just gonna put it on, and then we'll be back once it's good to go, I guess. I've never used this before in my life, so I don't know how it's gonna work. I don't know what it's gonna do to my face, so we're just gonna go through this together.
A few moments later.
Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes, and I'm literally living for my face right now. It's so soft and like it feels so hydrated. I have really dry skin, so like this mask, I'm most definitely gonna be using it like a lot. I don't know, it doesn't say like how often you should be using it. Like it just says, I don't know, like it doesn't even say anything. But yeah, I love that. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's like kind of watery, but it feels really nice on my skin. It like also feels tacky, so I feel like it would be a great like primer, which is what I'm gonna do today. So I'm gonna just do my face makeup off camera and then we'll get back into it. Okay, so now that my base is on and I'm looking a little crazy, all right, we're gonna use the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer and we're just gonna go in onto our eyelids. I'm gonna just use my finger. It's really creamy, so I like that. It does feel tacky, which is good, so you know your eyeshadow is gonna stay. It's gonna stick. For today's look, I'm honestly just planning to do something like pretty natural, which is why my face makeup is like, I didn't bake or anything like that. Like it's something super chill, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Nudes of New York palette for my eyes. So I'm gonna go into this shade with the Creator one. It's like a orangey-ish tone. Use that and we're gonna jump right in. I'm just gonna put that right in my crease. Kind of just putting it all over my lid. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a Morphe M139 brush. It's like that. It's like a smaller, more dense blending brush. And I'm gonna go in to this one, the Explorer shade. It's like a little brownish moment. I'm gonna go in with Self Starter to keep it on the lighter side. Like that's one of the lighter browns. Pack it right on top of the other shade. And I'm literally just packing it, just pouncing it onto the outside. It just so it creates like a little bit of depth. So nothing crazy. A little light, whatever. I'm gonna go in with my finger and I'm gonna use this color Dreamer on the top. That one's cute. You see that? It's like a gold, rose gold, kind of. I'm just gonna put that on my lid with my finger. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. And then I'm gonna take that same brush that I had before with the darker shade and I'm gonna go in with the same dark shade and I'm just gonna blend the two together. So that way it's like a seamless blend. Okay, you think that came together? No, we're good. Last, of course, I'm gonna go in with Originator. So this one right here, and I'm just gonna put that in my inner corner, which is cute. All right, so what I'm getting from this palette is the shimmers, A1. The other ones, they're okay. I mean, I would use it again. Like, I'm not saying I wouldn't use it again. So I'm gonna go with the Maybelline blush, the mauve color. Can you see that? Like, this light is like so... Let's see, what else do we have? Oh, brows. All right, so we're gonna use the Brow Fast Sculpt. It's clear, so I've been like really into like those like wispy kind of brows. So I'm just not even gonna fill them in. I'm gonna use this, if I can get it open. All right, I'm just gonna use this and kind of just comb my brows upward. We're gonna go in with the NYX liner and Mason. Just gonna line my lips real quick. Then I'm gonna go in with the NYX Suede in the shade Dainty Days. That's it. It's like a pretty, really pretty nude. Okay, so to top the lips off, I'm gonna be using the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline. Literally my die-hard favorite. So to finish this look off, I'm just gonna put on some mascara. Okay, so that's that for this look. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know, join the fam. Let me know what you want to see in my next videos. I will also tag my last video, so if you haven't seen that, then you can go check it out. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post. And thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'll be back with more videos.